Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on Realme 11. So when I have a problem with my headphones or any other Bluetooth gadget, I'm always starting from the simplest way: just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone. A little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start, you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated pyro mode, and how to activate pyro mode you will find the manual at your device, or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices, but it's still not for your phone. Open the settings, go to the connection sharing, and swipe down to not this device. Go down and go to the additional settings, then tap on the back on reset, the last option, and select the reset phone. Now choose the network settings. As you can see, the Bluetooth is included here, so just tap on it and tap on the reset network settings button. After that, look again for your device. In the next step, you can also try to update your system, so go to the about device and tap on the Realme UI. If you have any updates, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me: check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.